Welcome to English with GPT. Today, we're going to enhance your vocabulary by replacing very with more precise and impactful words. This will make your speech and writing more engaging and professional. Instead of very happy, say ecstatic. For example, she was ecstatic about her new job. Replace very sad with heartbroken. For example, he felt heartbroken after the loss of his pet. Use furious instead of very angry. For example, the customer was furious about the delay. Say huge instead of very big. For example, they live in a huge mansion. Replace very small with tiny. For example, the puppy is tiny. Use excellent instead of very good. For example, her performance was excellent. Say awful instead of very bad. For example, the weather was awful. Replace very smart with brilliant. For example, he is a brilliant student. Use exhausted instead of very tired. For example, she was exhausted after the marathon. Say freezing instead of very cold. For example, it was freezing outside. Replace very hot with scorching. For example, the sun was scorching in the desert. Use spotless instead of very clean. For example, the kitchen was spotless. Say filthy instead of very dirty. For example, the room was filthy. Replace very funny with hilarious. For example, the movie was hilarious. Use ancient instead of very old. For example, the ruins were ancient. Say brand new instead of very new. For example, she has a brand new car. Replace very fast with rapid. For example, the response was rapid. Use sluggish instead of very slow. For example, the traffic was sluggish. Say luminous instead of very bright. For example, the stars were luminous. Replace very dark with pitch black. For example, the room was pitch black. Thank you for joining English with GPT. By using these words, you'll sound more fluent and expressive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting lessons. See you next time.